Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we continue learning about how can you solve linear equation. And for this video, we will apply two operation for one equation. Something like I think you remember about the exercise. Last time we already learned something like this. Composing method is x equal to s minus 5 for this one because we changed position of plus 5 from left hand side to right hand side and you got a negative 5 in the right hand side. So you have the operation s minus 5 and you already have the value of x equal to 3. And this is very easy, right? Until now, I think it's very easy for you. Another exercise, so for this question, you got 10 plus x equal to 15. So the same thing, we apply composing method. You will got x equal to 15 minus 10, and then you got x equal to 15 minus 10, you got 5. So that is the very basic composing method. So how about this one? You think careful and you should care about this position, about x here and about x here. So the first term for new equation, I have 3 times x plus 5 equal to 8. So how can you work with this one? Okay, so you can see now the first equation you got only x plus 5 equal to 8. But for this one you got 3 times x plus 5 equal to 8. So 3 times x is a little bit harder, but the first operation you should apply for this equation is unchanged from the first equation. What does that mean? 3 times x I will stand here and unchanging for this term, and another one you will move plus 5 from left to right hand side, and then you got 3x equal to 3. You can see now the first term you got x plus 5 equal to 8, and then you got x equal to 3. And for this one you got 3x plus 5 equal to 8, and you got 3 times x equal to 3. So you can see here this is a multiple of x, right? 3 times x equal to 3. This question we will apply captain on top. Captain stand alone and captain always be on top. Yeah, so for this one you have 3 stand alone, 3 is captain. Captain on top, captain divided by another exercise, another one. So sorry, another number. And you have here x equal to 3 over 3 is mean 1. So what does it mean two operations? Two operation is you want to find the value of x. The first one you have to apply composing, and the second one you have to apply captain on top method. So after two operation, you have the value for this question is 1. So it is different from the first equation. You already have one operation, composing method, that is all. So from the composing method, you can solve the first equation, but you have to add more operation that is captain on top method for solving the second one. Yeah, the first operation and the two operation, but for this one you only have one operation. The same thing for the next question. You have here 10 plus 2 times x 15. You can see now the first equation you got 10 plus x equal to 15, and the second one you got 10 plus 2x equal to 15. And the first operation is composing. We unchain the position of 2x. 15 minus 10, you have the next operation. This operation is composing method, and then you got 2x equal to 5. A little bit same thing in here, you got x equal to 5, but the question you have only x in here, but in this one you got 2x, so you have to write down 2x equal to 5. And for this one, this is a multiple x, we will apply captain on top method. 2 times x equal to 5, 5 stand alone, 5 is captain, 5 on top. So 5 first, and then you got 2 is another number, will be denominator, and 5 will be numerator. Okay, so what are two operations? The first one, change position here, and the second one, captain on top method. Yeah, division. So that's why we call it a two operation for solving linear equation. Yeah, okay. So continue for this question. You got 2x plus 6 equal to 10. So how can you do this one? Okay, you will have 2x will be standalone in this one, and the first one I will apply change position method. You will got 10 minus 6, because in the right hand side, in the left hand side you got plus 6. So I move from left to right, plus 6 become to minus 6 in here, and calculating the result of 10 minus 6 operation, you got 4. So 2x equal to 4, what will we do next? So 4 standalone, 4 is captain on top, 4 divided by 2, and then you got 2 is the final answer for this question. Yeah, that is not difficult, right? 3 times x plus here equal to 21. Okay, so how can you do this one? The first step, 3x will be unchanged position, 21 minus 9, and then you got 3 times x equal to 12, and then 12 is captain, 12 on top, so 12 divided by 3, and then you got x equal to 4. Okay, so a little bit harder for this one, a little bit harder. Look at this. You got 4 times x minus 20 equal to 28. In the last two exercises, you only have plus or positive number, but for this one, you got minus 20 here. So for minus 20 here, that is the same thing of change position method. 28, we unchanged position. Minus 20 from left hand side, you move it to right hand side, it becomes to plus 20. It's plus 20. Okay, so 4 times x equals 48. 48, so x equal to 48 divided by 4. 48 divided by 4, and you got here is 1 and 2. It means 12. Yeah, a little bit harder because we have to work with negative operation, a negative number in here, or subtraction in the origin or in the given equation. Yeah, okay, the next one you got here minus 5 equal to 20. Yeah, so how can you solve your working out for this one? How can you solve a working out? The first one, 5x is unchanged, and you got 20 plus 5 for this question, and then you got 5 times x equal to 25, and the last operation you have 25 divided by 5 equal to 5. Yeah, a little bit quicker than another exercise, but I hope you can understand this solution. Yeah, okay. Two more examples for this kind of exercise. You got 6x plus 18 equal to 24. Yeah, how can you work with this one? 6x is unchanging. 24 minus 18, you got 6 in this one. 6 times x equal to 6. 6 here is standalone and it is captain. 6 over 6 equal to 1. Okay. Another question. 3 times x minus 9 equal to 21. Yeah. 3 times x equal to 21 plus 9, it is 30. 3 times x equal to 30. 30 standalone, 30 will be on top. 30 over 3. 30 over 3 is mean 10. That's why you got x equal to 10 is my final answer for this question. And the first question, you got x equal to 1. Hope you can understand this method. Thank you so much for watching. This is video about solving equation by two operation. Thank you so much and see you next time. Bye bye.